Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discussing with you, Top Shelf Her Loss Perfume Pheromone Fragrance Review. So you might be wondering, what is Top Shelf's Her Loss Perfume? So, Top Shelf Her Loss Perfume here is a 50 ml men's pheromone cologne listed on different platforms out there. Now, this is just one of the platforms that this one is listed on. Though, basically, it's being marketed or being sold on different marketplaces. Now, the product here is marketed as a long-lasting fragrance with an attraction-focused pheromone formula. Now, the listings here classifies it as fruity, oriental, and woody fragrance. Now, the listed fragrance notes includes pineapple and cinnamon as the top notes, ginger and cedarwood as the heart of the notes, and bourbon vanilla as the base notes here. Now, the product is presented in a spray bottle and is intended for men. Now, how to exactly use this perfume here? Now, the product is a spray cologne, so it can be applied directly to the skin as part of your normal fragrance routine. The listing describes it as suitable for work, social occasions, dating, and everyday use here. So basically works like any kind of cologne that you could see or buy online, with the added feature that we mentioned before. Now, the main selling point here is its pheromone-infused formulation, which the listing here claims may enhance attraction and appeal. It also describes the fragrance as a signature scent intended to complement your style. Now, the listing shows the quantity as 50 ml and currently displays a discounted price, although price may vary depending on the seller or where you're buying it. Now, currently, this is how much you can buy these specific cologne here on this specific marketplace. But depending on where you're buying it, it may differ. So prices may differ here depending on your region or where you're buying it. So yeah, in simpler terms here, Top Shelf Her Loss is a men's 50 ml pheromone cologne combining fruity, spicy, woody, and vanilla notes, designed to provide long-lasting fragrance for everyday and social occasions. Now, since this is a fragrance product, following the product's usage instructions and doing your own research on the product itself or the product details before purchasing is highly recommended. And also checking reviews inside and outside the platforms is also highly recommended. Just make sure that you are getting the most out of your money here. But that's about it. So, for this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.